Again, you can do the plotting, the same plotting technique for other parameters. Okay, so far so good. So we can say that our production allocation is successful. Okay, again, cumulative oil production from tank 1, or remove all first. Tank 1, cumulative oil production. Tank 2, cumulative oil production. Tank 3, cumulative oil production. Why we will get the cumulative oil production highest from tank 1? You can see because, again, the productivity index from the tank 1 is the highest compared to second tank and third tank. And that is also why that we will have oil decline faster in tank 1. First, because the size of the reservoir is, of course, smaller for tank 1, but also because the production rate resulting from the higher productivity index, the production rate is also higher. All right, here, all right, the production rate higher. That's why it will decline faster. Because, or I mean, this is for the third tank. The first tank, here you can see, because the productivity index from the first tank is the highest, but the size, the in place is the lowest, then first tank will show the fastest production decline and fastest reservoir pressure decline. All right, click close. So far so good. Lastly, I will show you the IPR. Well, one, now hopefully we can create the plot for the IPR. All right, now we have the flowing bottom hole pressure data. We have the pressure information. Okay, I mean, I don't mean that we have this flowing bottom hole pressure data, but we have reservoir pressure data actually. All right, the red line comes from tank 1, the highest, the biggest IPR or the highest productivity index. The green line, tank 2, and the lowest productivity index is from tank 3. And if you combine all the tank, all the IPRs from the tanks, you will get the black line. All right. And we also now have the AOF, or absolute open flow or maximum flow rate, for each tank and for the combination. All right. I think we can call it a day. So in this video, we have learned about reservoir allocation. We constructed 3 reservoirs producing oil to one particular well. We have production history for the well, and then the production history from the well will be allocated to each reservoir based on their parameters and also, of course, based on their productivity index. All right, and then we run the production allocation calculation and we get the production history from each reservoir, and then we can create the IPR for each reservoir. All right, so that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next MBAL videos. Thank you.